Okay, I'm going to use this trim to cover my cardboard here. Okay. Okay guys, I'm going to use this trim cover this cardboard here. Okay guys, I'm going to use this trim again to wrap around the edges here. I think this one not a good idea to use a trim. I should use it in there because this one it has to close, but we'll see. If I still don't like it, I might just cut this one off. But for now I'm going to I hear this one there. Okay, cut this seam binding here, maybe 24 inches here. I'm going to wrap around that wrap there. It's kind of really hard too, but I'm going to try to. loose. Okay, I can see that I tied there. So when you want to close the door there, and then we can tie this one here with the second grab there. Tie the bow. Maybe you don't want to tie it too tight because it's hard to open. Or if you want to tie the bow, it just tie it. Okay, not too bad, ready? So that it right for the block there. See on the bottom here now. Now for this part, I'm going to use the seam binding to make look like the ink pad, right? So I'm going to use some my sticky tape. Into there. Put that one there and wrap around the spool here. And then I'm going to put that one back there. Sure, this one is same hole, different hole. And now you need to make it a little bit bigger. Yeah. Repaint this one again, ready? Then I'm going to use my adhesive again, my sticky tape here. I'm not sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. It's a bit dark, huh? Did you make the ink tape like the real red typewriter lady? I need something to hold on this seam binding here, like I'll be right back. Okay guys, I print this bladder from the internet. You guys can you know, print anything that you want, or you know, write on just for yourself and then print it. But this one I did print on the internet. It was like 1912. I'm going to roll this one up. I'm not sure how I can edit my typewriter here because I think a little bit hard for me. I don't know if somebody else do it, you know. Maybe not that hard, but for me it's kind of a little bit challenging for me. I use something to roll this one. Here we go. I still don't know yet what I'm going to use to tuck this one in there. Maybe bread, something. I do not know. Or maybe this from Tim Ho, this pin there. Yeah, maybe I should use that Tim Ho pin here and Tim Ho ticket maybe. I don't know where I put Tim Ho ticket. I have too much junk in my table here, ladies. I have a difficult time writing my stuff. Okay, now I found this. Maybe trust, because this is the letter about dear sir, you are hereby instructed to proceed from New York as a clerk in the seaport office on the SS. I'm not sure what the short form. Anyway, I think I'm going to use the trust word from Tim Ho ticket, and then I'm going to do source with that's Kimi Kamo, that's fine. You know, I was stuck out enough, like how I gonna finish this, you know, like and you know, my husband suggested, you know, print some paper to make like an envelope, or print some like letter from home or something like that, and use something to stick in it. I said, I'm not sure, but it's kind of great idea. Sometimes I do ask him opinion, more time no. So more time he said, I don't know, honey. So I'm gonna just with my letter. Maybe I should turn it look like the 18 more, maybe. I don't know. I think this one looks great. Sorry guys, this video was kinda a little bit long, huh? Yeah, I talk too much, I suppose. So I'm going to stick this. I'm not sure that one is a great idea, or should have used some bread there. That's why I'm so struggling with this. So this one is not work as I want it to. So I don't know, maybe blood supply there. Oh, you know what? Maybe I just make a bread. There, maybe bread there. What you guys think? And use some glue that there. What you guys think? it, I'm going to use my Scotch tape here. So that's it. What you guys think? That's good enough for my typewriter? I'm not sure, but I think that's it I'm going for. I don't know how to end this, but I just, love it, guys, how it turned out. Not bad, huh? Okay, guys, it's finally I finished this. I just want to mention that on the back here, I didn't show you ladies how to open it right there. So I just tied the bow there. Just untie it and then twist it like that. So when I tie the bow, I didn't, close and tie it now because it's gonna have a hard time untie it. So this one, so you guys can put the card in there. It's not, you guys can see it. This one kind of, the dip there is a little bit wide, like this, not too wide, so you can keep something a little bit under there, lady. So when you close it, you should tie the seam padding around that one, and this side turn on this side. That's it. And then you want to tie the bow. That it. See, that really easy. Don't tie the knot before you tie to make the ribbon, because that can get confusing when you untie it, So this how I make everything that how I making things that I actually find the image on the internet. See, this one is my image. It's not exactly like right. But anyway, on the backing here, I should make the logo, the brand logo or Olympia, but I didn't do it. And this one actually can move, and it actually can move too. So somebody asked me where I can, where you guys can buy this bread. This one, the plain one there around the edges, is from Stamping Up. You guys can go to stampingup.com and go find demonstrator to get the lower price. If you buy without the demonstrator, you get another price. Ain't that crazy, huh? Yeah, and this bread, I believe it from Hobby Lobby. You guys can tell the difference. Well, in my Hobby Lobby, they don't have it anymore, that antique look jet bread, guys, because I bought this like years ago, so it's a very long time ago. Oh, I think that's it, guys. Sorry, guys, this is a long video. I blah blah too much about my school anyway. And I just love typewriter machine, guys. If I have a chance to buy the own one, I will have to buy. It helped me to practice my typewriting skill, because it keeps you concentrated, And if you guys notice that on the typewriter keyboard, that on the F and the J, that they have the mark there, because the typewriter person know that how to put your finger there is just by touching. You don't have to look on the the alphabet at all. You just feel on your finger, which one up and down, which finger go which one. You're not just two finger and jumping. I hate that when I see that person doing that, like that one finger and go around on the keyboard. I can't stand it. If my husband does that, the guy, I can watch him type thing, guys. It's annoying me, guys, because you know, like he goes all finger around tick tick tick, like oh, you know, it's really slow if you learn how to type it. You know, this one go, that one is really fast, guys. You don't have to look at the keyboard or just look on the screen or look whatever you want to type. That report that I love doing it. So anyway, this not perfect the keyboard because I forgot what didn't actually go in there, but the main alphabet I got in line and the shifting the cap and the tab. Okay, I believe that's it, ladies. I hope you guys like my typewriter. I actually do love it. Thank you, ladies, for keep watching my video. I will see you guys later. Bye.